ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। The last class we saw Inanta Shabda, right? I think Gunin was the last Shabda.
Yes, sir.
So under Nakaranta Shabda, we have seen so far we have seen starting from Rajan Shabda, then Atman Shabda. Between Rajan Shabda, Atman Shabda, the difference is the an is preceded by a conjunct ending with makara. Similarly, another example, this Yajvan ending with vakara. So all are Pullinga Shabda, Rajan, Atman, Yajvan. Then after that, we saw Napumsakalinga, Naman Shabda. Naman, if you know Naman, similarly Naman and Napumsakalinga, Karma, Karman Shabda. As the same thing as we apply, as the differences are there between Rajan and Atman or Yajvan. Similarly, for Napumsakalinga also, the difference is there between Naman and Karman. Here both are Ananta, but Karman, the Ananta that is preceded by a conjunct ending with Makara. So that is one thing. Then After Ananta, we saw the Inanta Shabda starting from Karin Shabda. Karin is Pullinga. For Inanta Shabda, only when these Sarvanama Sthana Asambuddhi Supratyaya follows, Dirgattam happen. Nakarasya Upadayaha. Upada to Nakara will get Dirgattam. In other places, it will not. Compare with Rajan Shabda. Rajan is Raja, Rajanav, Rajanaha, Rajanam, Rajanav, Rajnyaha. Or if you take Atman, Atma, Atmanav, Atmanaha, Atmanam, Atmanav, Atmanaha. Whereas Karin is Kari, that is the only place Dirga. Asambuddhi Supratyaya Pare. Only when Asarvanamastana Asambuddhi Supratyaya follows. Other places, Karinav, Karinaha, Karinam, Karinav, Karinaha, iti declension, Karin Shabda. The same thing for Gunin Shabda. This is both we can take Pullinga as well as Napumsakalinga. For Napumsakalinga, the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya is 1, 3 and 2, 3. Therefore, only there the Dirgatum happens. Like in Naman, here also Gunin. So Nama, Namani, Namni, Namani. There it is Namani. Similarly, here it is Gunini. So that is what we saw in the last class. Do you have any doubts in this Shabdas, what we have seen so far?
No, Ji. No.
The last class I sent you the summary. Right?
Yeah, we got it.
Document also. Summary, the summary can add one more point. That is for Ikaranta Shabda. Sorry, when Inanta, not Ikaranta, Inanta Shabda. The Dirgattam happens only for Sarvanamastana Asambuddhi. Similarly, for Napumsakalinga, Dirgattam happens for Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. Right? What is Sarvanamastana Pratyaya for that? It is 1, 3.
1, 2, 3.
So you can see that that is only point to be added in the summary. Gunini, you can see Gunini, 1, 3. Here also Gunini. Maybe you can add. This is a summary of the previous summary what I sent. So here we can add maybe point number 7. For Inanta, Dirgatvam to Upada. For Inanta, when the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, I'll copy this or let me write it. For Inanta, Dirgatvam of Upada. Happens only when a Sarvanama Sthana Asambuddhisu follows. Sarvanama Sthana Asambuddhi Su follows. This is point number 7 as part of the summary for Pullinga. For Inanta means Inanta Pratipadikam. For Inanta, Dirgattam of Upada happens only for happens only when Sarvanamastana Sambuddhi so follows. For Napumsakalinga, Sarvanamastana is 1, 3 and 2, 3. Yes. Yes. So very Innanta, Dirghatam happens only when Sarvanamastana. Sambuddhi is not required. Only when Sarvanamastana Pratyay follows. That itself is sufficient. Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. That is 1, 3 and 2, 3. So this is complete the summary. Now, today we will see the Shabda. Vritrahan. We will see the Shabda in the Shabda Manjari. The Shabda is there. Can check. How do you decline Vritrahan? Do you know the declension of Vritrahan?
No, Ji.
Parvatiji, you know the declension Vritrahan.
Vritra is a Vritrasura.
Hmm.
Vrutram Hanti.
Vritram Hanti Vritrahan. That is Samasa. Yes. Upapada Samasa. But how do you decline that?
Nakaranta. Pullinga Rutrahan Shabdaha. Rutra Pratama Vibhakti. Like Rajan only.
Not like Rajan, there is a difference. There is a difference. Vritrahan will be different. Okay. I'll show you. Vritrahan, maybe in the Shabda Manjari, in my Shabda Manjari book, that page is missing, I think. I'll show you from the website. Vritraha, Vritrahano, Vritrahanaha. It will be like that. Vritraha, Vritrahano, Vritrahanaha, Vritrahanam, Vritrahano, Vritragnaha. So the declension would be different, completely different. So let me show that just a minute. My book, that Shabda Manjari, that page is not there. The Shabda must be there in the Shabda Manjari. Vritrahan or Brunahan, any Shabda you take.
It is in ashtadhyayi.com.
Yes, you can see that. I will show you that. Let us chant, and I will tell you how to get this, derive this. Nakarantaha pullingaha vritrahan shabdaha.
Nakarantaha pullingaha vritrahan shabdaha.
Vritrahan, the word itself is a compound word, samasa. Vritram hanti, the Vritrahan, Brunam, Anti, Brunahan. So, my Brahma, Hanti, Brahma is Brahmana, Anti, Brahmahan. So, these are Shabdas. So, declension Vritraha, Vritrahanau, Vritrahanaha.
Vritraha, Vritrahanau,
Vritrahanaha.
Vritrahanam, Vritrahanau, Vritragnaha.
Vritrahanau,
Vritragnaha.
Vritragna, Vritrahabhyam, Vritrahabihi.
Vritrahabhyam. Vritrahabihi.
Vritragne, Vritrahabhyam, Vritrahabhyaha.
Vritragne,
Vritrahabhyam,
Vritragnaha, Vritrahabhyam, Vritrahabhyaha.
Vritragnaha. Vritrahabhyam.
Vritragnaha, Vritragnoho, Vritragnam.
वृत्रघ्नः
वृत्रघ्नः
वृत्रघ्नो
वृत्रघ्नोः
वृत्रघ्नां
वृत्रघ्नां
वृत्रग्नि वृत्रहणि वृत्रघ्नोः वृत्रहसु
वृत्रग्ने
वृत्रग्नि
वृत्रहणि
वृत्रहणि
वृत्रघ्नो
वृत्रघ्नोः
वृत्रहसु
वृत्रहसु
हे वृत्रहन् ये वृत्रहणौ हे वृत्रहणः
हे
हे
वृत्रहन्
वृत्रहन्
हे
हे
वृत्रहणौ
वृत्रहणौ
हे
हे
वृत्रहणः
वृत्रहणः.
This is Pullinga Shabda. Now, what are its Sarvanamastana Pratyaya forms? Vritraha, Vritrahanau, Vritrahanaha. Vritrahanam, Vritrahanau. Right?
Yeah.
Now, what is the next one after that?
वृत्रघ्नः
What is the sanya that Anga gets here? Anga,
Padam.
the Pratipadikam.
पदसंज्ञा
What sanya?
पदं
बस
Ba sanya, right? Not Pada
Yeah.
sanya. Bha. The Anga gets sanya.
okay.
Bha. Now you watch the bha positions. 2, 3. Then watch 3, 1. What is 3, 1? Same, right? You see,
Yeah.
same form. Vritragnaha, Vritragna. Is it not same?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is same means it is different from
Good call.
the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya forms. Whereas
Yeah.
the forms of ba are all same. Vritragnaha, Vritragna, Vritragne, Vritragnaha, Vritragnaha, Vritragni, Vritragnoho, Vritragna, all are same, right? Now you see the place where the Pratipadikam has a bhasanya, padasanya,
पदस
where 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, and 7, 3. You see there, what are the forms? Vritrahabhyam, Vritrahabihi, right? Vritrahabhyaha, then Vritrasu. So this is in this padasanya, right? 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, and 7, 3. No differences as we have seen in other Nakaranta Shabda. Like Rajan Shabda, what happens?
राज्ञः
No, I'm asking about the 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. That's not the Bhasanya. Bhasanya Kastani.
राजभ्यां राजभिः.
So Rajan plus Bhyam. What is a Sanya Rajan Pratipadikam has? One more Sanya.
Yes, padasangya.
Padasanya, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, I will call that those are pada position, other one as bha position for our understanding. Is it okay?
Yeah.
It is not really the term is may not be correct, but it's for our understanding. I will call bha position and pada position. Okay, because the anga only gets a sanya, right? The sanya bha sanya and pada sanya. After adding the pratyaya, anyway, you get a padam. That is different. So bha position, pada position. I will call like that. Now, what is there any difference between the pada positions of Rajan Shabda and Vritrahan Shabda? Yes or no?
No, Jay.
No.
Both only nakara is elided.
But both, not that
Yeah,
is
for
same
both.
common for both, right?
Yeah, common for both. Otherwise, the same only.
Therefore, it is same only. Everything is
Yeah,
same.
same only. Yeah.
There is no difference at all.
Just
Rajan-
joining of the word.
Rajan plus Bhyam. Rajan is Padam. So Padanta Nakara. That Nakara also the Pratipadika Nakara, right? Pratipadikantasya Nakara. So that Nakara goes away. Therefore, Rajabhyam, Rajabihi. Same thing. Vritrahabhyam, Vritrabihi. No change. And 7, 3 also. Rajan plus Su become. Rajan is a Padam. Therefore, Nakara goes away. Rajasu. Here also same. Vritrahan plus Su. Therefore, Nakara goes away. Vritrasu. Therefore, in Pada positions, no change. You know it. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, change is there where only in bha positions.
Bha. Yeah.
So therefore, if you know the rule pertaining to bha position, the shabda is done, right? And you see for this, the forms of Sarvanamasthana. Vritraha, is it not common with Rajan? Rajan plus Su. What is the form you have? Rajan.
Raja,
Raja.
Raja,
Su
Yeah.
goes away, then that because of Su, that
Dirghatvam happens.
Upada Dirghatvam happens,
Dirghatvam.
Rajan, then Nakara goes away, Raja. Same
Yeah,
thing
the
here
same
also.
thing
Same.
here also.
Vritrahan plus Su, Vritrahan plus Su, right? Then Su goes away, then Vritrahan is there, then Nakara goes away, Vritraha, you have the same thing. What about 1, 2? In Rajan Shabda, it is Raja.
Rajano.
Here it is what?
Brahman.
There it is, there is a difference. So this Shabda for Sarvanamasthana position, listen carefully. This Shabda for Sarvanamasthana position, it is same like Karin Shabda.
Okay,
Understand?
Karinav. Okay, okay.
It means what? Only when this Sarvanamasthana Su follows, Dirghattam happens,
For other
whereas
things, no.
when the other Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, no Dirghattam, to Upada.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
All of you, is it clear?
Yes, Raj.
The only
Yes,
difference
Ji.
between the Sarvanama Sthana position of Rajan and this Vritrahan Shabda is that when the Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows, Su follows, then only Dirghattam. Therefore, it is same as Karin Shabda. Vritrahan, although it is Anta like Rajan Shabda, but it is like Karin Shabda for Sarvanama Sthana position. Understand? That is why after Karin Shabda we are saying, so that you don't mix up with Rajan Shabda. It's clear. In the sequence of Shabdas, if you see,
Yes.
after Karin Shabda we are saying this, not after Rajan Shabda. Like Rajan, this is also Hananta, but it is declined like Karin Shabda for Sarvanamasthana position. For Karin Shabda, Sarvanamasthana Su, that is 1 only Dirghattam happens. In other Sarvanamasthana position, no Dirghattam. To Upada. Dirghattam means Upada only. Dirghattam of Upada. So, therefore, with regard to Sarvanamasthana position, Vritrahan Shabda, same as Karin Shabda. With regard to Pada position, that is 3, 2, 3, 3, it is same as you can take it as Karin Shabda itself. It is same, why Rajan Shabda? You can take it as same as Karin Shabda. Then with regard to Bha position, there are changes. So if you know the changes happening to Bha position, this form is done. You know it, right? Shabda is done.
What is the rule for that one, Ji?
Which one?
Seventh rule that only for the Sarvanamasthana this Dirghatvam happens, for not for.
Huh? What is it?
You said only for the first Sarvanamasthana position only, is it right? Dirghatvam happens, for not for the other Sarvanamasthana.
Saucha. That is the rule.
Okay.
But anyway, but you will not understand by Saucha by seeing.
Okay.
What will you do by seeing the Saucha? You'll go and read that.
We need to see the Anuvritti. Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
You see the Anuvritti, you
No,
see
no,
other things, other permutation. I mean, other forms you
Okay.
have to see. What is this sutra? So many things are there.
Okay.
That we will see later.
Okay.
But Saucha will alone will not do. It is a Niyamana Sutra. So many things are there. So, okay. That if our rule is Saucha, that is. Now, Vritrahan Shabda, we will do it. Vritrahan, Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Vritrahan Shabdaha. I will do from Pratama Vibhakti onwards. You see the screen? Try to type it.
Yes, Ji.
Okay. Vritrahan. So Vritrahan plus Su. Su is 1 Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya. So Vritrahan plus Sakara. Then this Sakara, what will happen to this Sakara? Please tell. What will happen to this Sakara?
It will be.
Lopaha.
Yeah, aprukt.
By what?
Aprukta.
Yes.
Hal ज्ञाप्यम्.
Aprukta.
Hal.
Ekal pratyaya 6 and 6 1 to 41 and then hal
Which
ज्ञाप्यम्.
following
No sutra again.
Nakara.
Okay, we don't know. Others don't know. Sutra
Okay.
only in Ashtadhyaya class. This
Okay.
Nakara goes away. How does it go away?
It is an apruktam. So
Apruktam will become lopaka when it follows a hal.
That's all. That is Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya. That Aprukta also should be a
Hal.
consonant. Hal. Hal. Okay. Because how is also Ekal only, but it is not a consonant. So Aprukta Ekal is okay. That which is Ekal is called Apruktam. Ekal Pratyaya is called Apruktam. Okay. That which is Ekal, Ekal. Al is a letter. And that letter also, Apruktam is a Sanya for Ekal Pratyaya. And Aprukta, that Apruktam should be a Al,
halam.
consonant. So Aprukta Hal, you say it like this. Because when the Aprukta Hal follows Halanta Pradipadikam, that Aprukta Hal goes away, right? Ekal Pratyaya is called Apruktam. Apruktam is a Sagya for Ekal Pratyaya. And that Aprukta Hal follows the Halanta Pradipadikam, that goes away. Understand? Kameshwari, you have to say like that.
Okay, Ji.
So goes away. Now, before goes away, what will happen? What is this Su? What is this Sanya this has got? I'm asking so that you can recall what we have learned. If you have not understood, that also will be clear. What is the name of this Pratyaya? We are doing Pullinga.
Sarvana.
Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya.
Yeah.
When we Sarvan, and another one more condition is what is the this is Sarvanamasthana. It is also huh?
Dirgatvam to Upadaya.
No, that will happen. But one more thing you have to add to specifically to this.
Sarvanamasthana.
Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya is there. In addition to that, one more condition is
Sambuddhi.
that is what is that?
Asambuddhi.
Asambuddhi, not Sambuddhi.
Okay.
Sambuddhi is 8-1. This is not for when 8-1 follows, this doesn't happen. Upada Dirgatvam, Ganesh, that doesn't happen. That happens only for Asambuddhi.
Asambuddhi.
Asambuddhi. So when a Sarvanamasthana Asambuddhi Aprukta Hal, that is Su, in this case Supratyaya follows, then Dirgatam happens. So therefore it becomes Vrutrahan plus. So after that you can remove Sakara. Aprukta Hal follows, the Halanta Pradipadikam goes away, then Vrutrahan. Now Nakara, what is this the word now called?
Padam.
It's a Padam. A Nakara is Padanta Nakara as well as Pratipadikantasya Nakaraha api, right?
Yes, sir.
Tasya Kimbhavati Lopaha.
Lopaha bhavati.
Therefore, you have the form Vritraha. You got it, Vritraha now. Now, then Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It is how is also Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. This is Ekal or not? Is it not a Ekal Pratyaya? I mean, is it not Apruktam?
Ekal, but not Hal.
Not Hal. Therefore, it is Apruktam, but not Aprukta Hal. Therefore, this will not become Lopa. That's the difference, right? Now, Vritrahan plus Au. What will happen now? Vritrahan plus Au. That Nakara, will it not become Murdhanya?
Yeah,
Not.
it will become.
Why?
It will become.
Yeah. No. What is the cause? What is the nimitta for causing that? That Natvam?
Repa is there. Two plus ra is there.
Takara plus repa plus a plus ha is there. So repa is here. Repa is there. And what are the intervening letters? Are the letters allowable letters? What are the letters allowed?
Atkupwang,
Yeah. At letter, at is,
Pupu, and
at is I
At
one Ruluk,
Kupu
Evo,
Ong.
I ouch, Hayavarat.
Hayavarat. Hi,
Hayavarat,
Salat.
All the vowels and the
Yeah.
semi-vowels up to Yavara and Ha is there.
Yeah.
Then Kavarga letter, Pavarga letter, then Num or Ang. So Ha is allowed and Akara is a vowel that is also allowed. Therefore, Natvam happens. Right? One more rule is there here, but I don't want to get into that. Ekacha Uttarapade. That is not required now because that is, we have to discuss about Natvam. Natvam is a big topic. See, Natvam, what we know is a small one, only two rules. That is, Repa or Shakara, Rikara is a nimitta for causing Apadanta, Dante Nakara to Mudhan Nakara. That is general rule. Then even if the letters, intervening letters are at letter or ku letter or pu letter or num or ang, or even any number of letters, any number of permissible letters, then also Nattam will happen. This is what we know. But there are about some 36 sutras are there for this. So it's a big topic actually. That is separate class. It will go for many classes, in fact, that we will see later. If it not here in Ashtadhyayi class. But this much is enough for here. So therefore here, Vritrahanav, it will happen. Simple. Like it. Simple. Vritrahanav. So now we have got two forms. I mean, Pratama Vibhakti, Vivachanam also. So Vritrahan, Vritrahanav. Then Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. That is also Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. The same thing. Nattam happens here. After that, just join. You got the form. Vritrahanaha. Then after that, Pratama Vibhakti. Sorry, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Ekavachanam. Remember, this and su will become lopa only in the case of Napumsakalinga, not here. This is Pullinga. So Vritrahan plus then here also Nattam will happen. Then you have Vritrahanam. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. The Pratyaya is out. That also same as the Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. So therefore it becomes Vritrahanav. Then we are entering into Bha position. There it is Vritrahan plus, let me write it as a Bha position. Vritrahan plus Shas. It is not just. This is not Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. Shas is not Sarvanamastana. So Vritrahan. Don't do the Nattam here. We'll see what happens there. Nattam we can do at the end. Because it is in Tripadi section, last part of the sutra. Therefore, if you see the sequence, it comes at the end only. Nattam. So content of Shas is as. Now here what will happen? What is the form given the Shabda Manjari? What is the form? Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. We can do reverse engine. We'll go the reverse way.
Vritragnaha.
Vritragnaha, right?
Yeah.
Now you take this Vritra, then after that Gakara is there, right? Then Na is there, right? That is Vritrag, then Nakara, Vritragnaha. I'm writing the form itself. Vritragnaha is what it is. I'm just writing the same thing. Vritragnaha, then Vritrag plus Nakara plus the Pratyaya is as. So as is there. So here what happened then? In the Anga, what is that? Vritrag plus Nakara, right? Vritrahan was there. Vritrahan was there. It has become Vritrag Nakara.
Akara is lopa.
What is it?
Akara lopa first. Akara
Yes.
is
Akara is
Akara is
gone.
lopa.
Number one, Akara is gone. After that,
Yeah. Then Hakara has become Gakara.
Gakara. Two things has happened, right?
Yes.
So
yes.
therefore, two rules are there. Simple. The Akara has become Lopa. After that, Hakara, the consonant, sibilant, it has become Gakara. So that is the only thing happens for the verb position. How does it happen? That is what we are going to see. So Vritragnaha, what is the form of Vritragnaha? How does it happen? So therefore, there only the rules are there. This rule is not only here. In many places, this rule you will see the application. Even in the Han Dhatu, in the seventh Gana, there's a second Gana, Hanti Hataha Gnanti. The Latlakara Rupam. Latlakara Rupam is Hanti Hataha Gnanti, it would be. So that we will see. So that is, therefore, this is rule is common. Okay. Now, let us see. That Akara goes away. How does this Akara goes away? Rule is there for that. First we will see that. Akara goes away and then these,
Allopara.
that is the one. Yes. Akara goes away by the rule. 1 minute. That Akara Allopo Hanaha. Just a minute. Allopanaha already we have seen, I think, before when Ashtadhyaya
Yes,
class.
we have seen. No, not in here, in for Rajan Shabda.
Rajan Shabda we have seen. Yes, very good. That I'll show that Rajan Shabda so that you can summary. I'll show you that. I was about to type that in Sanskrit, English, not required. Already it is there. In the
Rule number 4. Ji.
do you see the rule number? Rule number 3 or 4? 3,
4.
right?
Yeah.
Do you see the rule number 3?
Yes.
Do you see the screen? I'm not sure whether you see the screen.
Yeah, we
Yes,
can
Judge,
see.
we can see.
Bhasanyaka anga ending with an. The Vritrahan, what we are doing, that also ending with an only. Okay.
Mm.
Ending with an, the akara of an will become lopa. Simple. That is Ananta Bhasanyaka. That akara of Ananta Bhasanyaka will become lopa. Sanskritam is very easy. English is maybe little difficult. Anantasya Bhasanyakasya Angasya Akarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Can you understand this Sanskritam? It's easy. You can follow, right?
Yes, sir.
Anantasya Bhasanyakasya Angasya Akarasya Lopaha. Now, that is the rule. In fact, it is applied for the akara to lopa. Akara, lopa to happen. That is what happens here. So, therefore, here Vritrahan. I'm typing now. If you're not able to see this screen, tell me because I'm moving here and there. So, Vritrah plus now akara has become lopa because this is a bha position. Now, when akara becomes lopaha, then this hakara and nakara, they come closer, right? They come closer. When they come closer, what will happen? There is a rule. There is a rule which says specifically for this han, hakara of an, when followed by a nakara, it will get kutva adesha. It will get kutva adesha. I just right here you can see akara of andatu, specifically handatu. Akara of an is a dhatu. Here han is the han is a dhatu. Akara of an, what will happen? Undergoes kutvam. Kutvam means what? It is replaced by kavarga letter. What is the what is the letter which can replace hakara? What is the letter which can replace akara among the kavarga letters?
Gakara. Gakara.
Why not other letters?
It's both are soft consonant and mahaprana.
Mahaprana. So fourth letter will replace. Already we have seen this one in Sandhi. Remember?
Yeah, Hoda.
Not Hoda.
That is
Sandhi
para,
context we saw.
Purva Savarna Sandhi.
There we saw Hakara replaces. So when does it
Fourth
happen?
letter.
Oh, there is a rule. When does
Yeah,
it
when
happen?
it is followed by Jai.
Yeah, that is okay. Yes. When you follow by Jai, Jayaha, Jai letter, Padanta Jai, followed that Hakara preceded by Padanta Jai, then Hakara replaced by the Purva Savana letter. That's what Purva Savana you said. Purva Savana something. So, okay, fine. Now, Hakara replaced by, I have written Kuttum. You can just, I'll write Gakara itself. Simple. Hakara of the verb Han is replaced by Gakara. Is replaced by Gakara when followed by or in the presence of, whatever may be. When followed by is all right. When followed by, that is better. When followed by, these are the conditions. When followed by either a Nyit Pratyaya, our case it is not applicable, so don't worry about that. Or when followed by Nit Pratyaya, that is also not applicable in our case, so don't worry about. Or when followed by a Nakara. When followed by a Nakara. So here what happens? Hakara is followed by Nakara. Therefore, what will happen? Vritrahan plus as. Hakara is replaced by Gakara. So now you have Vritrag, then Nakara plus as. Then you can do Kuttam now. Sorry, Nattam now. Vritrag. You can do Nattam can happen. Can we do Vritragnaha? Can we do Nattam here? Hello, are you there?
Yes, Ji.
Can we do Nattam here? Nakaranta, okay. We will see that. Vritragnaha, that is a form. Now we get the form Vritragnaha. That is what the Shabdamanjari you saw. Right? Vritragnaha, the form, you get it. So here if you see Vritragnaha, if the form is Vritragnaha. Here no Naka, this Nattam happens. Here no Nattam happens. Please note here, no Nattam happens. Vritragnaha is. That's why I said that Vritrahan, there is a rule. That is Ekach Uttarapade Naha, one rule is there. By that, what happens in the Samasa, the Ekach Uttarapade. एक अच् उत्तरपदं यस्य तस्मिन् समासे पूर्वपदस्तात् निमित्तात् परस्य प्रातिपदिकान्त नुम विभक्तिस्तस्य नस्य नः स्यात्. There's a rule. Anyway, that we will see later. That is a separate one. Or I will try to explain that because it is comes under Natva section. Okay, I'll copy paste what I have explained in this thing. Don't get too much into that. It is I have to explain many things there. Just giving for our understanding. I'm just giving why Nattam doesn't happen here. Vritragnaha. Nattam doesn't happen. Why it doesn't happen? Number one, first two things you have to understand. Hakara replaced by Gakara because Nakara follows immediately. That is understood. Vritragnaha. Vritragnaha form has come. Now, why Nattam has not happened here? Why Nattam has happened here? Nattam happening here is given a rule. That is what I'm going to say. That is not applicable here. Therefore, it doesn't happen. Now, Nattam has happened here. By what? You can see. For a Samastapada, that is for a Samasa. Samastapada means Samasa. A Repa or Shakara in the Purva Padam. Samastapada means Samasa, compound. The compound will have Purva Padam, Uttara Padam. Right? Two words combined together become a compound, a Samasa. So, the Purva Padam, the first word is called Purva Padam. The following word is called Uttara Padam. So the Repa or Shakara in the Purva Padam causes Nattam of Nakara in the Ekach Uttara Pada. In the Ekach Uttara Pada. In the Uttara Pada, how many Ach should be there?
One.
Only one Ach has to be there in the Uttara Pada. Now, here if you see Vritraha now, Vritra is Purva Pada, right? Vritram, this Samasa Vigraha, if you write, this is a compound. First, that's why in the beginning itself I told Vritram Hanti. Vritra is a word and Han is a dhatu. Hanti, Vritram Hanti iti Vritrahan. So this is a Purva Padam and this is a Uttara Padam. Why? How can you call this as a Padam? Don't ask because in Samasa certain rules are there that. So just know this is a following word Padam. Okay. Now the nimitta for causing Nattam is there in the Purva Padam. And Nakara is there in the Uttara Padam. Uttara Padam, is there any vowel in the Uttara Padam? If there, how many vowels are there in the Uttara Padam?
Ho plus A there.
So here
Akara, one.
one Hakara, then A is there, one vowel is there. Right? Therefore, this is a condition. When the Uttara Padam has got one vowel and Nakara is there as part at the end, as part of the Pratipadikam or the Vibhakti or Num, whatever it may be, that Nakara will undergo Natvam because of the Nimitta in the Purva Pada. This is the rule. Because of this rule only, this Natvam has happened here. So the condition is Uttara Pada must have one Ach. Now here what happened in this condition, that is Ba position, that in the Uttara Padam, this Akara is there, Akara has become Lopa. So now Uttara Padam, how many vowels are there? No vowels. Therefore, Nattam doesn't happen. Simple, right? Understand?
Okay.
Understand, Sangamitra ji?
Yes, Ji, yeah.
Yes, Ji.
This rule I thought not telling. But anyway, we have to tell this because why Nattam doesn't happen in this case, you have to explain that. So this is the rule. For a Samastapada, please understand it, understand. For a Samasa, Repa, Shakara, or even Rikara also you can write, or Rikara also. Because that is also Nimitta. Rikaram is ru or ru. Present in the Purva Padam causes nattam of the nakara present in the ekach uttarapada. This is important. Uttarapada must have ekach. In our case, because of ba position, that ach has gone. Therefore, no ach, no vowels. Therefore, nattam doesn't happen. Okay. So now here, when does it happen? When there is one ach in the uttarapadam, whenever the nakara is at the end of the nakara could be at the end of the pratipadikam or due to a numagama or part of the vibhakti. Part of the vibhakti, why we say? Because that nam, am is there, shashti vibhakti bhagavachanam, there and all, it would be a part of the vibhakti. That is why it is given. This is the rule. Ekach uttarapade naha. This is the rule. 8, 4, 12. As I said, this is Nattam is a big section. Just number I writing here may be useful later. We will see that in Ashtadhyayi class in detail. So these are the two rules you have to note. For the Vritrahan Shabda, Hakara of Han is replaced by Gakara. Here it is Nakara follows. Therefore, the conditions are given when followed by Nit or Nit. Those things are not required for our application here. Here it is when Nakara follows. That is applied. Then second one is why Nattam doesn't happen or happens in other places. When Nattam happens, that is the second rule. And the second rule, not applicable here. Therefore, Nattam doesn't happen. Is it clear?
Yes, dear.
So two rules you need to remember for bha position. Number one, number one is you can say three rules. Number one is when for a bha position that ananta akara goes away, that we know is common as the Rajani Shabda, that akara goes away. Bhasangikasya angasya anantasya akarasya lopaha bhavati. Therefore, that is rule number one. For ba position, I'm saying. Then what will happen? Then akara of handatu, that's very specifically han only, andatu. When followed by nakara, hakara replaced by gakara. That is number two. Rule number two. Then you have vritragnaha. Why nattam doesn't happen? The question should come. It has happened in vritrahana in other places. Why it does not happen? Because here in the uttarapadam there are no vowel. Minimum there should be one vowel for nattam to happen. It is not there. Therefore, nattam doesn't happen. So three rules put together. Okay. The same thing for Tritiya, the Bhakti Ekavachana. Now you tell me, I will type. Vritrahan plus, I'm doing Tritiya. All ba position we will do first. Then we will do pada position. Vritrahan plus ta. You can tell me, I will type. Vritrahan plus, what will happen next?
Again, that akara will be lopaha, that hakara.
Yes, akara
So-
lopaha bhavati.
And then hakara becomes gakara. So Vritragna plus Vritragna.
Yes, then nattam doesn't happen, right? Vritragna. The same way for 4-1, 5-1, you can do it. There only the pratyaya is changes. 4-1 is nye, whose content is ye. So therefore, you have the form Vritragne. Then 5-1 is nasi, content is us. Same as Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, the form would be Vritragnaha. Vritragnaha, yes. And Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it is nas, same Vritragnaha. Then Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachanam, it is os, Vritragnoho. The Rupam is Vritragnoho. Then Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam form is Vritrahan plus Am. All are ba positions. So this becomes Vritragnam. Then Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam Ni. Whose content is E becomes Vritragni. Vritragni. Right? Understand? Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Shashti, Saptami Vibhakti, we have two forms. Saptami
Yeah.
Vibhakti, we have two forms. How do we have two forms? You see the general rule. What are the general rule? Go to the general rule which already I sent, you see that. An optionality is given. Number 5. Do you see the screen? Point number 5. Do you see?
Yes, Ji. Yes, yes.
An optionality is given for the dropping of akara of ananta bhasanya when followed by ni. Like Rajan Shabda, we have Rajni, Rajani. Therefore, akara of ananta, that akara dropping is optional. So therefore, what will happen? You have one more form. I just copy paste this. So if you don't drop Vritrahan plus, then what? If you don't drop, what form you will have? You will have Vritrahan plus E will become Vritrahani. Then Nattam happens. Here Nattam can happen because why? Because why Nattam happens here?
Because vowel
Hakara
is
is there in Hakara.
Ha, ha.
Because
At.
Uttarapadam has got vowel. It doesn't get
Yeah.
dropped, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, it will be there. So therefore, Nattam will have Vritrahani will have. So you have two forms, Vritragni or Vritrahani. Is it clear? So
Yes,
common rule,
yeah.
you have to refer to the main general rule. Then we have done verb position. Now pada position we will do. Pada position. Vritrahan, I'll just copy paste one. Vritrahan plus Bhyam. Vritrahan plus Bhyam. What will happen to Nakara? Goes away. So Vritra Bhyam. So simple. Just join addition. Vritra Bhyam. So Vritra Bhyam, then Vritra Habihi. This Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam Vritra Habihi. Then Vritra Abhyaha, but also same. Nakara goes away. Then Vritrahan plus Su. Su, that is Saptami Bhakti, Bhagavachanam. Vritrahan plus Su, Nakara goes away. Therefore, you have the form Vritra Hasu. Then Sambodhana. Sambodhana, what happens? Vritrahan plus Su. We'll copy from here. Vritrahan plus Su. This is Sambodhana, 8th one. Vritrahan plus Su. Can Upada Dirghatam Bhavati? Will it happen?
No, sir.
By what rule doesn't?
Sambuddhi. This is
Sambuddhi.
Sambuddhi.
Sambuddhi. That is why it's important. Sambuddhi. Therefore, na bhavati. So, therefore, Vritrahan plus Su. The Su goes away, right? Su goes away. So, therefore, you have the form Vritrahan. Can Nakara become Muddhani Nakara? No. Why? Padanta Nakara. It's a Padam. न पदान्तस्य पदान्तनकारस्य नत्वं न भवति. So Vritrahan. Then Vritrahana, Vritraha, that is same. So Shabda is done. Right? Any doubt in this Shabda? Please. So for Vritrahan, you need to remember these two rules. The two rules are not only specific for this, it is common. In fact, many places you will see the application of these rules. One is for Natvam happening and not happening. Natvam happening, where it happens. If you know where does it happen, you know. Second one is that Hakara is replaced by Gakara. Those two rules, if you know, Vritrahan Shabda is done. And Vritrahan Shabda, please note, it is like Karin Shabda. It means only when a Sarvanama Sthana Sambuddhisu follows Dirghatvam happens, not in all the Sarvanama Sthana position. Right? These are the points you have to note for Vritrahan. You can take Brunahan, Brahmahan as example. Please try. You have to do it at least one derivation for one whole Shabda. Then only you will have the practice understanding. Brunahan. You can take this as your homework. You can try. Step by step, you write. So that you know it. Remember. Abhyasaha. Brahma. Brahmanam, not Brahmanam Hanti. Brahma ye Brahmana you can take or automatically. Brahmanam. Brahmanam Hanti iti Brahmahan. Brunam Hanti iti Brunahan. Okay. So we have done this Shabda, Vritrahan Shabda. Then the next Shabda. Next Shabda, what we can take? We can take is I'll give one more Shabda for yes, since we are doing Ikaranta Shabda.
Pushan is it,
Pushan
no?
we will do next one. But one more homework I'll give. We can try Abhyasaha. In the Abhyasa, you can take one more. This like a Karin Shabda. You can do Shargin Shabda also. Shargin. How do you decline Shargin? Shargin is the name for Vishnu. Shringa Nimittam Danuhu Asya Asti iti Shargin. Shargi. Okay. So like Karin Shabda, you can do Shargi, Shargino, Sharginaha. This you can try. Okay. Now we can take Pushan Shabda. Pushan. Now Pushan also a special Shabda. Why it is special? Because it is, even though it is Ananta, you see the Shabda Manjari. It is, declension is different. Pusha, Pratama Vibhakti itself is Pusha. Pushan means Suryaha. Pushan means it is Suryaha. So that also I think it is my book. It is not there. Yeah. What is Shabda number in the Shabda Manjari?
I don't have the book right now.
Yeah, okay. Pusha, Pushanav, Pushanaha, Pushanam, Pushanav, Pushnaha it will become. So I will show in the website. Pusha, do you see the website? Pushan. No. It is, sorry, not Pushanav, Pushanav. Okay. It is like, how can become Pushanav? Because it is like Karin Shabda. Pusha, Pushanav, Pushanaha, Pushanam, Pushanav, Pushnaha, Pushna, Pushabhyam, Pushabhihi iti bhavati. Now, this Pushan Shabda, please note, it is Ananta. Seems to be like Rajan Shabda, but it is not. That is why it is covered after Karin Shabda. Karin Shabda, you can see the sequence. Karin Shabda, then Vritrahan Shabda, then Pushan Shabda. So you can, in this sequence, in the Shabda Mandiri also, in this sequence, if you follow, it will be easy. In the list of Shabdas, Rajan, Atman, Yajvan, Naman, Karman, Karin, Gunin, Vritrahan, we did. After that, Pushan. Because they all form one category. Vritrahan and Pushan, even though they are Ananta, but they are like Karin Shabda. It means Karin Shabda has a speciality or a difference from that of Rajan Shabda only when this Sarvanamasthana, Asambudhisu follows Dirghatam happens. So therefore you can note. So Pusha, then Pusha now only. So let us chant that and I will show you how it is declined. This is a special rule is there for this. That is why it is given separately. The Shabda Manjari also. Nakarantaha Pullingaha Pushan Shabdaha
नकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पूषन् शब्दः
Pusha Pushanau Pushanaha
पूषा पूषणौ पूषणः
Pushanam Pushanau. Now you see Pushnaha
पूषणं पूषणौ पूष्णः
then Pushna Pushabhyam Pushabihi
पूष्णा
Pushna,
पूषभ्यां
Pushabhyam, Pushabihi,
Pushne Pushabhyam Pushabhyaha
पूष्णे पूषभ्यां
Pushabhyam,
पूषभ्यः
Pushabhiha,
Pushnaha Pushabhyam Pushabhyaha
पूष्णः
Pushnah,
पूषभ्यां
Pushabhyam,
पूषभ्यः
Pushabhyaha,
Pushnaha Pushnoho Pushnam
पूष्णः
Pushnoho,
पूष्णां
Pushni Pushani Pushnoho Pushasu
पूष्णि
Pushni,
पूषणि
Pushnoho,
पूष्णोः
Pushasu,
पूषसु
He Pushan He Pushanau He Pushanaha
हे
He
पूषन्
Pushan,
हे
He
पूषणौ
Pushanau,
हे
He
पूषणः
Pushanah.
Now we will see the declension. I just copy paste from Vritrahan. So many things will be same. I will delete whichever are not required. So let us do this. We are doing Pushan Shabda. Same like Vritrahan only. So Pushan plus Su. Kim bhavati? Pushan plus Su becomes Dirghatam. Pushan plus Su, Sakara. Then Sakara goes away. So you will have Pushan. Nakara also goes away. Therefore you have the Pusha. Pusha means Surya. Pusha. Pratama Vibhakti you have. Then Ditya Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Pushan plus Au. Dirghatam na bhavati. Dirghatam will not happen. Right? Can Nattam happen here? Nattam. Can Nattam happen?
Yeah,
Yes,
it will
it can.
happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, because Pusha,
Shakara preceded.
yes, Shakara is there. Nattam, okay, for that Nattam will happen here. So it is Pusha now. Pushan plus O will become Pushanau. Nattum will happen. Then Pushan plus just will become Pusha. Here also just addition and Nattum will happen. Pushanaha. So Pusha, Pushanau, Pushanaha. Then Pushan plus becomes Pushanam. Then Pushan plus Dvitiya Vibhakti, Bivachanam will become Pushanau. From here we start here. Ba position, Pushan plus Shas. That Akara goes away. Shakara has got, sorry, Sha has got Shakara plus A, which is Ananta, Basangika. So Basangikasya, Anantasya Akarasya, Lopaha Bhavati. So Akara goes away. Therefore, you will have Push Nakara. Then it becomes Push Naha. Then Nattam will happen. Therefore, get Push Naha. Understand?
Yes, Jia.
For our understanding, I have split that into Shakara, Sha is equal to Shakara plus Akara. Then Akara goes away because of Basangika. Therefore, Push and Akara. Push Naha, and after finally it is Natvam. Push Naha. This is for Ba position, that is 2, 3. Similarly, for other Ba position, Pushan plus Ta, Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekavachana. It will become the same. Therefore, again, I'll write the form, final form. Is it okay? The same as
Yes, Jia. Yeah, that's fine.
the same as the previous one. Therefore, I don't have to repeat it. So becomes push. It is push plus becomes push. Now make it simple. Yeah. Same as the previous one. Basangika. Because ba position already I have written at the top. So therefore it is same. Pushan plus nia also. Same as the previous one. Akara goes away. Therefore pushne. Pushne, then Uttam Bhavati, Pushne. Then Pushan plus Nasi. Pushan plus Nasi will become Pushnaha. Then Saptami Vibhakti, sorry, then Shashti Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Pushan plus Nas becomes Pushnaha. Then Shashti Vibhakti, Vivachanam, Pushan plus Os. That will become Pushan plus Os, Pushnoho. Then Pushan plus Am, Shashti Bhakti, Bhagavachanam. Vasangikasya Akaras, Anantasya Akarasya Lopaha, then Pushnam, then Nattam happens. We have Pushna, then Saptami, Ekavachanam, Pushan plus Ni, same as the previous one. Akara Lopaha Bhavati, therefore Pushan plus E will become Pushni. with Murdanya Adesha Poshni. Here only we have two forms because there's an optionality is given. Therefore, Poshni or it is Poshani. Poshan plus ni. If akara of an doesn't go away, you have Poshani. Just join. So Poshni or Poshani. Rajan, Ragi. Now for pada position, it is simple. Poshan plus Bhyam. Poshabhyam. Then Poshan plus bis. Poshabhigi. Then Poshan plus yes. Poshabhyaha. Poshan plus su. Poshasu. Sambodhana. Sambodhana, what happens is it is Sambuddhi here, Poshan plus su. Therefore, Dirghatam doesn't happen. So you will have that Nakara goes, Sakara goes away. Therefore, you will have He Poshan. He Poshan, He Poshanau, He Poshanaha. Same as the Pratama Vibhakti. Right? Understand? This Shabda done. So Poshan. There is a Panini Sutra. Yes, to Sangamitraji. In Han Poshan Aryam Nam Shau.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, that is not required for this. I'm just
Yeah,
saying
that's
in
8 for 12. Yeah.
Aryam Nam Shau. What is okay? This is I'm just saying Sutra. Don't understand others. Don't worry about it. I'm just
Sucha,
here.
isn't it?
What is Shau?
Saucha.
What is Shau? Guess. Just guess. What is Shau?
Shau follows.
What is Shau follows? Following will be Shau.
Yeah.
Following will be in Saptami Vibhakti. After
Yeah.
that, we saw Shau is Saptami Vibhakti of
Shakara.
not Shakara. How can Shakara have
I
Saptami
mean,
Vibhakti? Hmm?
yeah, she. Yeah, she is
She.
Sarvanama.
What
Yeah.
is she?
She is Sarvanamasthana of
She is Sarvanamasthana for what?
Napamsakalinga.
So this is only for Napumsakalinga. That is why Inanta, Visa, Karin Shabda, Gunin Shabda, where the Dirghatam happens only when the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya for Napumsakalinga follows. And Pushan, Aryaman, what we are going to see, they are pulling a Shabda. So there is nothing to do with the Shav. Therefore, only the next sutra, Saucha, is there. Anyway, this is only for you, Sangamitraji and Parvati, for you.
Yeah, Ji.
Understand? It's okay. Otherwise, we'll see in the Ashtadhyayi class. Okay. So, in this, Inanta Shabda we have seen, Poshan Shabda we have seen, now Adyaman Shabda. Now, why I'm saying this sutra I gave is, just mention is, Poshan Adyaman, they are pulling a Shabda. Okay. Poshan and Adyaman, they are pulling a Shabda for them when Supratyaya, that is, so follows Upada Dirghatam happen. Upada to Nakara, that Nakarasya Upada, that Dirghatam happens. Dirghatam happens for the Upada to Nakara. Okay, now Pushan is Pullinga. Similarly, Aryaman, next Shabda is Aryaman, Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Aryaman, Aryaman Shabdaha. Aryaman Shabda is, anyway, the word is derived by adding it's a Unadi Sutra. Unadi Sutram, Kanin Pratyaya is there. By that it is a Nipatram, it is made ready-made, Aryaman. So Aryaman means what? Who is Aryaman? It is Surya. Pushan also Surya, Aryaman also Surya, Surya only. It comes in the Shanti Pata. What? Shanno Mitrasham Varunaha. Shanno Bhavat. What? Shanno
Aryama.
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 Aryama is what? Is
Okay.
yeah. Aryama Shan Bhavatu. That is the meaning. Okay, Surya. Surya Devata. So now Surya, this Aryaman also same as Pushan. So let me copy paste this and do the form. Wherever Pushan is there, replace it by Aryaman. We will do, and after that we can chant this Shabda. So Nakarantaha Pullingaha Aryaman Shabda. Can you follow? I'm going back and forth. Is it okay?
Yes, yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Been moving up and down. Aryaman plus Su. What will be the Pratama Vibhakti form? You can tell before I type.
Aryama.
Aryama.
The form would be Aryama. I'm just copy pasting. If any mistake is there, please tell me. Okay. Please read the line. If any mistakes are there, because I'm just copying pasting. When I copy this, I don't see that. Then Ditya
Aryamana.
will be
Aryamana.
it will be Aryamana. Will Nattam happen or not?
Yeah, Makara is intervening.
Akara is allowed. Power letter.
Yeah.
Will happen or not?
Yeah, it will happen.
It will happen, right?
Yes.
Yes. Aryamana. This one minute. Aryaman. That's okay. Please check the line. If any Aryaman plus Sakara. Then Aryamana. The next one, Aryaman plus just will become
Aryamanaha. Aryamanaha.
Aryamanaha, right? Nothing will happen. Yes.
Yeah.
Then Aryaman plus
Aryamanam.
Aryamanam Nattam Bhavati. Then Aryaman plus out, same as the Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam Aryamano. Now you are entering into Bha position. Aryaman plus Shas Kimbhavati. For our understanding, I'm writing, splitting Arya. One I will write. After that, you can see Aryaman. Then this is Ananta. So Ba Sangikasya Akarasya Kimbhavati. Lopa Bhavati, right? So what, therefore, what you will have? Aryam, then Akara plus S. So you will have
Aryamnaha.
So the form would be Aryam, then Nas. That becomes Aryam Naha. Nattam also will happen. Aryam Naha. Right? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Sangamitra, is clear?
Yes, Jia. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then 1 minute. Let me ask one question here. Why that Nakara Lopa doesn't happen in the case of that Akara Lopa doesn't happen in the case of Atmanaha? Atman Shabda. For Ba position 2, 3. What is the form? Atman Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. What is the form? Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Atman Shabda.
Atmanaha.
Why the okay Atmanaha? What about Rajan Shabda?
Ragyaha.
what happened in Rajyaha and that did not happen for Atman.
Akara lopa na bhavati.
Akara,
Why here can Akara Lopa happen?
Conjunct is not a conjunct conscious.
That's good. It is not a conjunct because sometimes you may get confused with the Repa. The Repa is followed by Yakara, and Yakara after that Akara is there. Okay, so it is not a conjunct here. This confusion may come. You understand what I'm saying? Here in
Yeah.
Yaman, Repa is there. Then after that, Aryaman Yakara is there. Then after that, Aryaman Akara is there. Then after that, only Makara is there. Okay. So therefore, there is no conjunct consonant here. Understand?
yes, Ji.
Therefore, it doesn't happen. Therefore, it is like what Shabda? Rajun Shabda only. Akara se lopa bhavati. You understand what I'm saying? This confusion can come because there seems to be Aryaman that you may think that the Repa is as along with the Makara. That is general mistake we do. That's why I'm saying. If it is clear, leave it, no problem. So it is no conjunct before that. Yam is that. Yam is So that is no conjunct. Therefore, Aryam Naha. Akara se lopa avashyam bhavati. Only when it is followed by a conjunct. Here it is not followed by a conjunct. That Akara is not followed by a conjunct. Followed by only Makara. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Then this is confusion can come. Those who confuse that Repa with Makara. That is why I said. Somebody asked in my class, I remember. Aryaman plus Ta will become. It becomes Aryam Na. Akarasya Lopaka Bhavati. Then Aryaman plus Nye. That will become Aryam.
Aryamne.
Then Aryaman plus Nas will become same as Ditya Vibhakti. Aryaman plus Nasi. Ditya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. It becomes
Aryamne.
Aryam Naha. Right?
Oh, yeah. Naha.
Then Saptami, sorry, the Shashti Bhakti. Ekavachanam. That also becomes Aryam Naha. Then Shashti Bhakti, Dvivachanam, Aryam, Noho. Everywhere this Akarasya Basamikasya Lopaha Bhavati. Aryam Noho, then Aryam Nam, Shashti, Bhagavachanam. Then Aryam Ni. Aryam Ni, two forms will be there. Aryam Ni plus or Aryamani, like Rajan Shabda. Aryamani. Nattum will happen. Then Pada position. Aryaman plus Bhyam. Akarasya Lopaka Bhavati. Therefore, you will have Aryamabhyam. It becomes Aryamabhyam. The same way for Aryaman plus this will become Aryamabhihi. Then Aryaman plus Vyas will become Aryamabhyaha. Then Aryaman plus Su will become Aryamasu. Then Sambodhana, Aryaman plus Su will become Aryaman. Hey Aryaman. Then Sambodhana, Privachanam, same. Aryamanav, same as Pratama Bhakti. Aryamanaha. Right? So Aryaman, that is also done. We can chant this. Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Aryaman, Shabdaha.
Nakarantaha
Nakarantaha.
pullingaha
Pullingaha.
Aryaman Shabdah.
शब्दः
Aryama, Aryamanau, Aryamanah,
Aryama,
Aryamanau,
Aryamanau,
Aryamanah.
Aryamanam, Aryamanau, Aryamnah,
Yamanam,
Aryamanam,
Aryamanau.
Aryamnah,
Aryamnah.
Aryamna, Aryamabhyam, Aryamabhihi,
Aryamna,
Aryamna.
Aryamabhyam,
Aryamabhyam.
Aryamabhihi,
Aryamabhi.
Aryamne, Aryamabhyam, Aryamabhyaha,
Aryamne,
Aryamne. Aryamabhyam.
Aryamabhyam,
Aryamabhyah.
Aryamabhyah,
Aryamnaha, Aryamabhyam, Aryamabhyaha,
Aryamnah, Aryamabhyam, Aryamabhyah,
Aryamnaha, Aryamnoho, Aryamnam,
Aryamnah, Aryamnoho,
Aryamnoho. Aryamnyam.
Aryamnam, Shashti.
Aryamnam.
Aryamani, Aryamni, Aryamnoho, Aryamasu,
Aryamani,
Aryamani.
Aryamni,
Aryamni.
Aryamnoho,
Aryamnoho.
Aryamasu,
Aryamasu.
He Haryaman, He Haryamanau, He Aryamanaha,
He
He Aryaman.
Aryaman,
He
He
Aryamanau.
Aryamano, He
He
Aryamanah,
Aryamanaha.
yes. So Aryaman Shabda, you know. Then after come Magavan Shabda. I think Magavan Shabda, we will see the next class. Okay. Now is this Shabda, remembering Shabda, is it become easy? No? With the rules?
Yes.
Does it
Yes,
become
sir.
easy or without knowing if you just memorize? You know the rule now. So it becomes little easy, I think. Right?
Yes, ji.
Easier to memorize.
Yes. So if you memorize, it is okay. If you not if you need not memorize everything, at least some rules, that will also help. That is why it
Yeah,
did
yeah.
this. Yeah.
It's easy to now the derivation has become easier.
The same thing we are seeing in Ashtadhyayi class with the sutra.
Mm.
What I said is without sutra. With the minus, I'm trying to avoid sutra, but anyway, I'll just tell this, just tell the sutra number. But that is what I explained without using Sanskrit terms. Vritti, anuvritti, sutrartha, etc. Okay, so we'll stop here. Parvati ji and Sangamitra ji, Gita Pravesha we will do next week. Okay.
yes, sir.
Because Ramaji also told me she has got puja today. So we will do it next week. So we stop here. After Nakaranta Shabdas, some more Shabdas are there. Shvan and even those Shabdas we will see, which are covered in Shabda Manjari, those Shabdas. Then we will continue with the infant reader. We started with Naman Shabda. We'll go back and continue. Okay. Now, before winding up, how will you do the Strilinga form of any Nakaranta Shabda? Decline E. Adding E. Adding E, you get Ikaranta Shabda. Then decline
Decline like Nadisha.
V. So that is also covered. Okay. After doing some Nakaranta Shabda in the next class, finally I will summarize what are all the Shabdas we have seen so far. Started from Shakaranta, Jakaranta, if you remember, or those Shabdas, just quickly we'll revise. For that only Sandhi rules. If you know Sandhi rules, the Shabdas already we have seen. It's simple. Kutvam, then those things. Okay.
The Pachat, how does it become Pachan?
Huh?
Takara.
What's that?
Pachat Shabda.
That is different.
Then-
Pachat is Takaranta Shabda, not Nakaranta. It is
Yeah, the
Pachat.
Takara, how does it become Nakara?
How does it become?
Nakara.
Separate rule is there. It is you get
Okay.
Nummakama comes for that.
Okay. Okay.
It is Nummakama. That is separate. We will see that later. Okay.
Okay.
Once you get familiar with the rules, if you don't find these rules difficult, you will not find that also difficult. It will be easy. We'll see that. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantih Shantih Shantih. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣು.